is Edelgy B. Salva, and I'm currently working as Teacher 1 under the Department of Education, Division of Ingoab City. Among the educational philosophies discussed, the philosophy that best reflects my belief about teaching and learning is essentialism. Essentialism is the belief that the school should teach the students the essential knowledge, values, skills that every student needs. As a mathematics teacher, essentialism is very suitable educational philosophy because mathematics requires students to master the basic concepts and skills before moving to the more difficult topic. I apply essentialism in my current classroom by making sure that my students first understand the basic knowledge and skills before introducing more advanced lessons. For example, before teaching the law of sines, I make sure that my students already know how to measure the angles, identify the parts of a triangles, use basic trigonometric ratios, to ensure that they really have the foundation needed to understand the new lesson. I teach them step by step, give clear explanation, and provide many exercises to strengthen their skills. I also maintained organized and disciplined classroom where my students are expected to participate, listen, complete their tasks on time, and respect classroom rules. I regularly assist their learnings through quizzes, assignments, and problem-solving activities to monitor their progress and provide support when needed. I believe that every student should master the fundamental concepts and skills before moving to the more difficult one. That would be all. Thank you. Bye!